Good evening, everyone. Luxembourg then host Italy in this international friendly. Two nations looking to the future after disappointing World Cup qualification campaigns. Luxembourg finished bottom of their section. Italy, four-time winners of the FIFA World Cup, beaten on penalties by Bosnia-Herzegovina in their playoff final. Chiorodia, Kolyosho.
I don't want to be in a bad mood.
He's had a good season.
But why in the world is
Paris FC is Esposito, moving it a little more quickly now. Italy.
Now you look like I'm
glad you brought that. I was going to bring it up. So I'm glad you did.
Esposito, Morris couldn't prevent the corner.
Champions
will be the first of the game.
Will hope to join Vittorio Pozzo, the Italian coach at 34 and 38, is the only coach to win multiple World Cups.
All swung in there initially by
starting 11 presented by Bet Online.
So it's Spartasaghi of Milan to take the corner. Plenty in there for the Azzurri.
To maybe get possession that Scaloni has decided.
Target from
we did not have a great World Cup with Qatar. He had an ankle injury, was dropped from the team after the Saudi Arabia game. Let's not forget that they lost the first game in that World Cup.
Himself in a good position, didn't he?
He did come on later in the run in there. Penalty against the Netherlands. And it's a player that could potentially, if we get out of this, he's
making their senior international debuts.
Underway.
This man among them, Kolyosho. Bizili. Oh, the flick by Esposito. And it wasn't far away, was it? Great effort. Lovely improvisation by the Inter striker. Bizili involved.
Almada.
So was Lipani.
Tagliafico.
Clever.
We'd say the pitch is... You can go from Almada, but he didn't win it back. They'll do this up themselves.
We're not even 5 minutes in, and we can already tell why
joined
the dynamic
done Milan. He's a 7-year-old.
For the diagonal.
2012. He's really established himself in the first team this season. Really
shot from distance, and the goalkeeper can redeem it.
Much more experienced.
It's again Milon, who, as you mentioned, is playing on the left-hand side tonight as opposed to the right-hand side, which we also
not short on confidence, is he? Piero Esposito. Real breakthrough season for him at Inter after
also for Giuliano.
Years, productive years on loan in the second tier with
Giuliano.
Spezia.
And the diving header from Lautaro as well, clutched by Mendiva.
Seen him score his first Serie A goal, his first Champions League goal, his first senior international goal as well.
Good block,
3 goals in
Lautaro at the second attempt. It'll be a corner. Could have been a lot worse for Honduras.
Esposito, lovely little flick there, and Endor's waiting for it in the box, but into the side netting it goes.
Diagonal. Here's the opportunity for Rivas. Well defended. Opportunity here. Not too far away. Best chance of the game so far for Honduras. And the strike was from Edwin Rodriguez.
He wanted to cross, didn't he? But Bizili tried to sneak
take a whole lot from Honduras there. It's a diagonal.
That's all our goals used up.
Esposito, we've seen some nice touches from him. Cherubini.
You mean
Endor.
That close.
I'm
sure what Melendez was up to there trying to play out trouble, and the penalty's been awarded for the foul, which was committed inside the box. Lo Celso coming so close to the opener, but Argentina now have an opportunity from about 10 yards closer because of a clumsy bit of play from Christopher Melendez.
It's chest, isn't it?
There's a reason.
Easily with the ball over,
and it's 1-0 Argentina.
Brilliantly taken that by
37th international goal.
Superb
Lautaro.
And what a good start this is to the second half
from Messi and co. And the deadlock is broken.
Continues his fine start to life as a senior international. He's now 4 goals in 8 caps. Bizili with the ball over. That's brilliantly taken, isn't it, by the big number 9, who's had quite the year. Into double figures for goals for Italy.
Good from Giuliano.
For Inter, I should say.
Good through ball for Lautaro.
His first Champions League goal, his first Serie A goal.
Lo Celso. Tagliafico.
Comes here to Kolyosho.
It's the corner.
Bizili and Esposito both in there, and Bizili off the post.
Only call from... Nice little flick by Giuliano.
Should have been 2.
And Hivar was in the right place at the right time. Good move though.
I don't know what shot you're talking about.
So close from Bizili.
Defensively.
Rigoberto Rivas just lacking the quad. Picked up by Almada. The cross doesn't reach. Would you want his lifestyle?
Yeah.
But everything that goes with it.
You may have the need to go and interact with the world. I don't feel that.
Changed nationality back to the US. But we're underway for the second half. This could be an opportunity for a second goal.
And by saying that he hasn't had the best of seasons, I really mean his performances individually, you're expecting a whole lot more.
So what?
And Argentina are going to need a whole lot more
they are.
than what he has given Inter Miami so far this
season. Chance.
Foul.
Not long on the
Big
pitch.
chance. Awful attempt by Thiago Almada.
Snatched at this a bit.
Oh, mommy. I think he's surprised he has so much time.
Right now he's kind of playing in that advanced 8. 10 role.
Good opportunities now that Italy have had to double their lead.
Heels.
To Pizzilli,
Palma, who's not known for his tackling. For Lautaro, little back flick.
This
Chance
could be
for Giuliano, it's
Pizzilli.
2.
Important block there.
Lovely goal.
Couple of good openings for Pizzilli now. Gasparini does seem to like further forward. He's played in lots of different midfield roles. He's been quite versatile in that respect at Roma. Can play deeper, but it's in those more advanced areas that Gasparini seems to like him. Fancy.
It's taken late. It's
who's going to send
play
this
on.
in.
Almada's lay on. Picking up space. Right across the face of the header. The head of Love. Not the best.
If you had asked me that same question.
Good footwork. Just run out of room on the left.
Very good punch initially by
does that look
Italy's captain.
It's honest. Scaloni.
It's this young experimental Italian side with 8 debutants.